I'll let you know Cheung Fun in 3 minutes. Cantonese style breakfast. Whether it's enjoying leisurely morning tea or quick bite from street stalls, rice noodle rolls are always present. They come with various fillings like beef, pork liver, fish, dried shrimp, fresh shrimp, and even fried or stick. Without fillings, sprinkle dried shrimp and chopped scallions. It's called plain rice noodle rolls. Alternatively, in Hong Kong and Macau, it's known as Cheung Fun. This delicacy is made from rice butter, with thin sheets wrapping around rich fillings, and topped with unique sauces for a flavorful experience. Rice noodle rolls have a legendary origin, with one legend tracing them back to the Tang Dynasty, when Qianlong made an oil rice cake accidentally. But the sheets were too thin to cut into pieces, so they were rolled into the pot hole and cut, thus created the original recipe. Another claim suggests that Emperor Qianlong was so enamored with them that he bestowed the name Cheung Fun upon them. However, the authenticity of these stories is hard to verify, so they remain intriguing legends. Perhaps rice noodle rolls share origins with Hakka steamed rice cakes and Guangfu Shahe. Hakka steamed rice cakes are made from rice batter and steamed, with the batter evenly poured into a steaming tray and cooked in a steamer. Then, a variety of fillings like fresh meat and vegetables are rolled into the cooked cake. The process requires precision and skill. CheungFun, on the other hand, are made by spreading rice batter onto an iron plate, then lifting and cutting them into strips. Finally, add the toppings and sauce, similar to the process of making rice noodle rolls. The production of rice noodle rolls can generally be divided into two methods: pulling and drawer. In the pulling method, a smooth rice batter is poured onto a finely woven cloth, then steamed until cooked using steam. The choice of cloth is crucial for this method, requiring a smooth textured fabric to minimize wrinkles on the rice sheet. However, the limited flow of the cloth can result in uneven thickness of the rice sheet, so it requires manual flattening after pouring the batter. Traditional pulling methods are slower, leading to the emergence of the drawer method. This improved steaming structure allows the rice batter to be poured onto an iron plate, then steamed in a drawer, resulting in thinner sheets. Whether pulling or drawer method, the steamer's heat must be strong enough to ensure a smooth texture. There has always been a debate over which method is superior. Of course, the pulling method requires higher skill from the chef, which may be why many people find it more delicious, with a balanced savory sauce and tender, fresh fillings. Behind a plate of delicious rice noodle rolls lies the skill and dedication of chefs honed over time. No matter which type of rice noodle roll, it's a sincere culinary delight, worth savoring a plateful. Subscribe to discover more street food around the world, and leave a comment down below to let me know you like me. Haha, joke. Let me know what other foods or location you'd like to see featured.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Whipping up the baby's got the pot.
May.